ElectraCast.
Whatever the occasion, effortless elegance is right this way. Because Hilton brings you new ways to stay courtesy of the Nomad London. And it doesn't stop at award-winning dining in a space draped in velvet and illuminated by vintage chandeliers. No, this day goes beyond with unparalleled personalized service and attentive hospitality. Oh, and did we mention the Nomad London can be booked using your Hilton Honors points at Hilton.com? Hilton, for this day.
Welcome to NASA Daily, where we bring you all of NASA's previous day's proceedings in 4 minutes or less. In today's episode, we bring you NASA's activities for June 4th, 2025.
Today, NASA highlights Liliana Villarreal, Artemis Landing and Recovery Director. Inspired by a childhood visit to Kennedy Space Center, she leads the team that recovers astronauts and the Orion spacecraft after splashdown in the Pacific Ocean during Artemis missions. Previously, she oversaw integration and testing of the Space Launch System rocket and Orion spacecraft for Artemis 1. Currently, she is preparing for Artemis 2, the first crewed mission to circle the moon and return, with training including ocean recovery exercises alongside the U.S. Navy. Christina Zeringi, Chief Safety and Mission Assurance Officer at NASA's Stennis Space Center, credits a telescope gifted at age 10 for sparking her passion. With 28 years at Stennis, she oversees safety for rocket engine testing programs, including the Space Shuttle main engine and upper stage engines. Her work has helped prevent critical issues before flight. She emphasizes curiosity, teamwork, and lifelong learning for success at NASA. On the International Space Station, NASA flight engineer Johnny Kim completed a 48-hour cardiovascular monitoring study to improve astronaut health. Station Commander Takuya Onishi tested rapid screening for blood clots and evaluated new tablet computers for the upcoming Axiom Mission 4 private crew. Flight engineers Anne McLean and Nicole Ayers prepared for Axiom Mission 4 by reviewing docking procedures, conducting exercise testing, and managing air and food supplies. Russian cosmonauts contributed environmental observations and communication studies. The Axiom Mission 4 is scheduled to launch June 10th from Kennedy Space Center aboard a SpaceX Dragon spacecraft, with docking planned the next day. NASA's Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope core passed rigorous vibration tests simulating launch conditions to ensure it can withstand intense shaking. The telescope is on track for launch in 2027, with assembly of its major components planned for later this year. NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory observed 2 galaxy clusters that collided 1 billion years ago and are now moving back toward a second collision. These clusters are separated by 11 million light-years, the largest distance seen in such events. The findings provide insight into galaxy cluster behavior and cosmic structure formation. Astronomers reported 3 extreme events where supermassive black holes destroyed massive stars, releasing energy greater than 100 supernovae. These events help identify black holes that are usually inactive. The Roman Space Telescope will aid future discoveries of similar phenomena. On Mars, NASA's Curiosity rover is preparing to drill into bedrock formations to analyze minerals and study Mars' geological history. The rover continues environmental monitoring, including dust and atmospheric studies. The Hubble Space Telescope captured detailed images of colorful gas and dust clouds in the Large Magellanic Cloud, a nearby dwarf galaxy. The images reveal layers of star-forming regions in multiple wavelengths, providing new insights into cosmic processes. These stories reflect NASA's ongoing efforts in exploration, science, and technology. Those were the key activities for NASA on June 4th, 2025.
Subscribe to receive daily or rate or review so others can find us as well. Thanks for tuning in to NASA Daily. This has been an ElectraCast Media production. Executive producers are Mark Netter and Peter Rafelson. Produced and edited by Hannah Riggs. Music by Amir Salale, I say.
ElectraCast.